Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about RPA. So RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation. It allows organizations to automate tasks just like a human being was doing them across application and systems. Robotic automation interacts with the existing IT architecture with no complex system integration required. It can be used to automate workflow, infrastructure, back office process which are labor intensive. These software bots can interact with an in-house application, website, user portal, etc. RP is a software program which runs on an end user's PC, laptop or mobile device. It is a sequence of command which are executed by bots under some defined set of business rules. So the main goal of robotics process automation is to replace repetitive and boring clerical tasks performed by humans with a virtual workforce. RP doesn't require the development of code, nor does it require direct access to the code or database of the application. Now, why RPA? So, consider an enterprise. So, rapidly changing business processes to compete with products, customers. So there is organizational depth between process and people, and humans are used to fill the gap between system and processes. So multiple IT systems can't evolve with the speed of business. So the business climate is ever changing, and enterprise needs to continuously evolve its product, sales, marketing, etc. process to grow and stay relevant. A typical enterprise uses multiple and disconnected IT systems to run its operations. With changes in business process, these IT systems are not changed frequently due to budget, timing, and implementation complexity issues. Hence, the business process doesn't map the technical process mapped in the IT system. To overcome this technical and organizational debt, human workforce is hired to fill the gap between systems and process. Example, a company made changes in sales process such that a mandatory 50% advance is required to confirm the booking of its product. But there is no coded in the IT system yet. A human worker will have to manually check the invoice and payment details and process the sales order only if 50% advance is made. The problem with the humans. And with any change in the business process, a company would need to hire new employees or train existing employees to map IT system and business process. Both solutions are time and money consuming. Also, with any succeeding business process, change will also need hiring and or training. So enter RPA. With robotic automation, the company can deploy virtual workers who mimic human workers. In case of a change in process, a change in few lines of software code is always faster and cheaper than retraining hundreds of employees. So here are some reasons why RPA is advantageous. A human can work average 8 hours a day, whereas robots can work 24 hours without any tiredness. The average productivity of humans is 60% with few errors as compared to robots' productivity, which is 100% without any errors. Robots handle multiple tasks very well compared to a human being. Now, applications of RPA. Multinational companies such as Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini, and many more use RPA in their day-to-day tasks. These companies benefit by using RPA as it provides accurate, reliable, consistent output with high productivity rates. So now let me tell you the top applications of RPA so that you know the various sectors in which RPA can be used. So, the sectors are customer service, accounting, financial services, healthcare, human resources, and supply chain management. Now, let's discuss RP implementation. So first is planning, then development, then testing phase, then last support and maintenance. So first is planning. In this phase, we need to identify process which we want to automate. Following checklist will help us identify the correct processes. So is the process manual or repetitive? Is the process rule based? Is the input data is in electronic format and is readable? And can existing system be used as it is with no change? Next step in planning phase are set up project team and finalize implementation timelines and approach. Second one, agree on solution design for performing RPA processes. Third one is identify logging mechanism that should be implemented to find issues with running bots. Fourth one is clear roadmap should be defined to scale up RPA implementation. Now development phase. In this phase, we start developing the automation workflows as per agreed plan, being result driven. The implementation is very quick, fast. Now testing phase. In this, we have to run testing cycles for in scope automation to identify and correct defects. Now last, support and maintenance phase. It provides continuous support after going live and helps in immediate defects resolution. Following general maintenance guidelines with roles and responsibilities with business and IT support teams. So, best practices of RP implementation. One should consider business impact before opting for RPA process. Define and focus on the desired ROI. Third one is focus on targeting larger groups and automating large impactful processes. Fourth one, combine attended and unattended RPA. Fifth one is poor design, change management can wreak havoc. Sixth one is don't forget the impact on people. And last one is governance of the project is foremost thing in RPA processes. Policy, corporate, comment, compliance should be ensured. Now, general use of RPA. It simulates human action, emulates human execution of the repetitive processes using various applications and systems. Conduct high volume repetitive task. Robotics process automation can easily simulate decaying of data from one system to another. It performs tasks like data entry, copying and pasting. Third one is perform multiple tasks. Operates multiple and complex tasks across multiple systems. This helps to process transactions, manipulate data and send reports. Fourth one is virtual system integration. This automation system can transfer data between disparate and legacy systems by connecting them at the user interface level instead of developing new data infrastructure. Fifth one is automated report generation. It automates the extraction of data to comes up with the accurate, effective and timely reports. Sixth one is information validation and auditing. Resolves and cross-verify data between different systems to validate and check information to provide compliance and auditing outputs. Seventh one is technical debt management. It helps to reduce technical debt by reducing the gap between systems, preventing the introduction of customer implementations. Product management is 8. It helps to bridge the gap between IT systems and related product management platforms by automated updating of both systems. Ninth one is quality assurance. It can be beneficial to QA processes which cover regression testing and automatic customer use case scenarios. Data migration. It allows automated data migration through systems which is not possible using traditional mediums like document spreadsheets or using other source data files. 11th one is gap solutions. Robotic automatic fills the gap with process deficiencies. It includes simple tasks as password resets, the system resets, etc. 12th one is revenue forecasting. Automatically updating financial statement to predict revenue forecasting. Robotic process automation tools. Selection of RP tools should be based on following four parameters. First one is data. Easy of reading and writing businesses data into multiple systems. Second one is the type of task mainly performed. Ease of configuring rules based of knowledge based process. Third one is interoperability. Operability, sorry. Uh, Tools should work across multiple applications. Fourth one is AI. Built-in AI support to mimic human users. Popular robotic automation tools. First one is Blueprints. It is a RPA software. It provides business and organizations with an agile digital workforce. Second one is Automation Anywhere. It is a developer of robotic process automation software. Third one is UiPath. UiPath is a RPA software. It helps organization efficiently automate business process. Now, benefits of RP. Some benefits that RP can provide. First one, large number of a process can easily have automated. Second, costs are reduced significantly as the RPA takes care of repetitive tasks and saves precious time and resources. Programming skills are not needed to configure a software robot. Thus, any non-technical staff can set up a bot or even record their steps to automate the process. Fourth one is robotic process automation support and allow all regular compliance process with error-free auditing. Fifth one is the robotic software can rapidly model and deploy the automation process. Sixth one is the defects are tracked for each test case story and the sprint. Seventh one is effective seamless build and release management. Eighth one is real-time visibility into bug defect discovery. Ninth one, there is no human business, which means there is no need for for the requirement of training. Tenth, software robots do not get tired. It increases which helps to increase the scalability. Now there are some of the disadvantages of RPA. So first one is the bot is limited to the speed of the application. Second one, even small changes made in the automation application will need the robots to be reconfigured. Now there are some myths of RPA which I am going to discuss. First one is coding is required. So that's not true. To use RPA tools, one needs to understand how the software works on the front end and how they can use for automation. RPA software doesn't require human supervision. This is an illusion because humans are needed to program the RPA bot, feed them tasks for automation and manage them. Third one is only large big companies can afford to deploy RPA. But the truth is small to medium sized organizations can also deploy RPA to automate their business. However, their initial costing will be high but can be recovered in 4 to 5 years. Fourth one is RPA is useful only in industries that rely heavily on software. RPA can be used to generate automated bills, invoice, telephone bills, which are used across industries irrespective of their software exposure. So that's all about RPA. I hope you guys will like this video. Thank you guys for watching this video.